Hi, Alvaro Bustos, Bustos Realty. Today I want to talk about fiduciary responsibility and what does it mean. And I'm dealing with mostly agents and so the clients can understand. Um, Suggestions of fraud, falsifying documents, steering clients on the wrong direction are some of the comments that I've heard from people out there in general. And I got to tell you, this concerns me a lot. We have a fiduciary responsibility to our clients. And what does that mean? That means that we have an obligation to act in the best interest of the client. That means that we have to present all offers, not only the ones that close fast or the cash, but all offers. That means we have to show people every property that is available that meets their criteria and their budget. We don't stay away from a certain neighborhood or a certain street because it meets the criteria, so we have to present it to the client. We're being trusted with one of the most important financial decisions in a person's life. We're trusted with their biggest investment in many cases, and their dreams and their lifestyle. So do your job, have some respect, do it correctly. This is Alvaro Bustos, Bustos Realty.